Make cooler.
I found it at Target, dude. That was the last one.
Am I sleepy?
You were sleepy. I was sleepy.
Am I actually?
Look at right. That's one of the toys that he wanted. Look at this. There's another one in there, dude. There's another one in there. There's another one in here. Look.
Put it like that.
Let me see it. Oh, it's so cool. Wow, it's heavy, dude.
I put it like this. And this is like this.
Whoa! What's another? Let me see that one. Bruce Miller. Wow. I like this one, dude. Miss Fritter. Thunder Hollow. The horns. It goes from here. Fire comes out. This Fritter time. Wow, this is a really nice toy. The quality is super good, but it's heavy. It's a really heavy toy. Car, school bus, school bus. We got Bruce Miller. Here. Surprise! He got 2 new cars for his Mcqueen collection. We got all his Lightning McQueen track sets, except that one. That one is to go. But we're cleaning here the room, and that one I just put it there for a while. But that one's going to the garage. Miss Fritter, Thunder Hollow. And Bruce Miller, number 64.
What name that one?
This one's Bruce Miller. Bruce. It's Bruce. And Miss Fritter. Miss Fritter time. Whoa! That's the new one. That's Miller. Look at Miller. On this episode, we're gonna do it on the new car. We got Miss Fritter time and Miller. This is the new ones to the collection. And that's gonna be the new episode of Lightning McQueen and Super First Fritter time. It's Fritter time, and we got Lightning McQueen right here.
This is yours.
Hey, Miss Fritter. Are we gonna go to Thunder Hollow? Yeah. Lemonade. Where's Lemonade? We're gonna go race on Thunder Hollow. Lemonade. I'm gonna call you Lemonade.
It's this one.
Oh yeah, it's this one. So we got them right here. We got Lightning McQueen, and we got. Oh, is this one right? We got Cruz Ramirez. Hey. Are you ready for the race? I'm gonna call you Lemonade. And then, oh, I'm gonna crash everybody. Whoa, cause I'm Miss Fritter time. Oh, look at this one. Oh, right here. We got tailgate and what's the other? Push over or something like that. That's what it's called. Oh no! Miss Fritter is here! Miss Fritter time! Oh no! We gotta get out of here! We gotta get out of here! Lightning McQueen, let's go! Let's go! Here comes Miss Fritter! Here comes Miss Fritter behind me! Miss Fritter time! So we got Super Ryan right here. Say hi, Ryan, to your friends.
Let's go for watching.
Look at Ryan, he's still sick. Guess his little nosy is red because there's a lot of boogies.
Look, scratched up.
You already scratched Fritter. Look at that. Ryan, you like to really play with your toys. You already damaged
Look.
Fritter. But that's what the toys are for, to play.
Picture.
And then Ryan, it's it today. We were gonna make a boogie video. So Ryan, he was sick, but he still wants to make videos. And now, new Miss Fritter toy. And where's Miller? Oh, Miller! Look at Miller! Let's do a race. Hey! Check it out, Ryan. Oh, we gotta fix it. We gotta fix it over here. Yes! We're gonna do Lightning McQueen! Whoa, look at Lightning McQueen! Super Lightning McQueen! Fritter, are you happy to be part of Ryan's video? Oh, yes, I am part of being in Ryan's videos. Ryan is always making super fun videos, and I'm really happy to be part of his videos. So stay tuned, kids. We're going to do a lot of videos. Because I'm Miss Fritter time. Let's go racing. Wow. Oh, relax, dude. We're just playing. Come on, man. I'm Miss Fritter. Miss Fritter time.
Hey, what about if we do Miss Fritter tipping? Oh yeah, let's do Miss Fritter tipping. Are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3.
We did Miss Fritter tipping. That's so funny. That's so funny. That's so funny.
Huh, man, Nanny McQueen scared me with that Miss Fritter tipping. What's going on with McQueen?
Hey McQueen, hey, yeah, Meter. I heard you did a Miss Fritter tipping. Oh yeah, Mater. You gonna try it too? I am the champion. Look at that. I won the champion cup. Cause I'm Miss Fritter. Yeah, I'm Miss Fritter. Yeah, Miss Fritter time. Yeah, Mcqueen. Okay, let's do it. I wanna do it too. Okay, let me distract Frida, Miss Fritter, and so you can do it. Okay, Mcqueen. Okay, Major. Yeah, okay, Mcqueen. Go ahead. Go, hurry. Go. Hey, Miss Fritter. Hey, yeah, Mcqueen. Hey, I wasn't happy what you did with me right now. I'm sorry, Miss Fritter. We're just playing games. Hey, Miss Fritter. I gotta show you something over here. Oh, yeah. Oh, what is it, Mcqueen? Look at this car. It's so nice. Yeah. Go, Major. Oh, yeah. Do you like the car? The color? Oh, no, I don't like the color. Okay. Okay, guys. Are you guys ready? I'm gonna count to 3, and then we're gonna do Miss Fritter tipping. Are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. I did Miss Fritter tipping too.
So thanks for watching, my friends from YouTube. This was another episode of Lightning McQueen and Super Ryan. And Ryan is still sick, but he loves doing videos and sharing his live on YouTube. Oh my goodness! So stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye! Ryan's channel? Go like this. Subscribe. Thumbs up. Go like this. Thumbs up. Go like this. Subscribe.